Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new build that was just completed. Has a double RV garage and sits on a nice little corner lot. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, right here at 649 Desert View Drive. This home was just completed. Sits on a nice little corner lot. Sorry for the wind today. It's a little windy in Havasu. So you got some side parking over here. Looks like it's pre-wired for mini split units, 2 of them. Still got some street parking over here on this side of the house. Has a nice little front courtyard, stacked stonework. Nice 8-foot entry door. All right guys, so this is just completed and it was just listed for $749,900. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,735 square feet. Sits on a big 13,000 plus square foot corner lot. All tile floors, no carpet, vaulted ceilings, split floor plan. All LED can lights. They also did the troweled down walls. Nice quartz counters. Stainless appliances, soft touch closed cabinets. Little wine fridge. So you have your door to the garage, your laundry, and then you have your master bedroom on one side of the house. It's a good size, vaulted ceilings. Nice dual vanities, skylight, nice walk-in shower. Got your toilet with its own door and a walk-in closet. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got your other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. All 8-foot 4-hinge doors throughout the house. Tall ceilings in the bedrooms. This is a junior master suite. So you got a nice little junior master suite with access to the backyard patio. Nice walk-in shower. So you have your guest bath. You have bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. You have your indoor laundry. So this house has a huge garage setup. The 2-car side is 22 feet deep, 20 feet wide with an 8-foot door. All epoxy floors. Both doors are insulated. This is pre-wired for 2 mini split units. So this one has a huge double wide RV garage side. It's 25 feet wide, 60 foot deep with a 14-foot door. Also has a drive-through rear bay to the backyard. Also has full hookups with a 50 amp water and a clean out. All right, let's go check out the backyard. All right, so you have a nice slider out to the back porch. Nice big patio, ceiling fans, LED can lights. The lot does slope in the rear, but there's still plenty of room for a pool. Sorry again for the wind noise. So you have your drive-through bay in the rear here. Plenty of room for a pool. They already got the retaining wall in. So you just build off of that and get your pool in. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Desert View. Again, this one was just completed and listed for $749,900. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability, and all that. Also, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Talk to you soon.